Hello everybody. I wanted to do a little video here on how to scan your vehicle codes. This here works on pretty much any OBDII vehicle. But it's a Innova 3100. I picked it up at Walmart in the automotive section for, I think it was $100. But they're well worth the price of them. But anyway, it'll come with a cable like this, and there's another cable to link it to your home computer if you want to. But you just plug that in there, tighten these here screws down. That way it holds it on there. And the part where you check them at is usually up under your dash here. We'll try to get a closer shot of it there. But it is this here part right here that you're looking for. You'll want to plug this here into the cable into that. Make sure you have your key turned off. Once you plug that in, take and put your key in the ignition and turn it to on, but don't start the vehicle. And you got this little green button here, you'll want to push it. And it'll link to your computer on your vehicle. And this one has 4 codes that came up. There's a PO 420, which is the Cadillac system, which I know the converter's bad on this, so it gives a bad reading to the O2 sensors. And you push this here button and it'll show you the other codes. Which I have some work to do to this one. I knew there was issues, but I mainly did it to show you guys how to use it. But after that, you can go to here if you want to clear your codes. And you press this one again. And it'll erase all the codes in your system. After that, take and turn your key back off. And you can unplug this from your vehicle. And that's all there is to using an OBDII code reader. So if you have any other videos you'd like me to do or anything, comment down below and I'll try to do something in that line for you. But other than that, I'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, comment below, and have a great week. Bye.